I've had this phone for 3 years now. This is the iPhone 11. And, a lot of people want to know whether or not they need to put a case on their phone. And I just want to share my experience. So since I bought this phone when it first came out in 2019, I believe, I've actually never put a case on it. I've never put a screen protector on it. And I've really not had too many issues. I mean, I've dropped it a few times, and of course, when you drop your phone and you don't have a case on it, your heart drops. But really, I've never really had too many issues without it having a case. And honestly, I just like the way it feels without a case. If you put a case on this, it just adds to the size. And when it's in my pocket, I'm a little bit bigger right now, so my pants are a little bit tight. I don't need anything else making them a little bit tighter. So I kind of wanted to show you guys the shape of my phone, 3 years with no case. So if you're the type of person who drops your phone often or a little bit more clumsy, I probably would recommend getting a case just to be safe. If you're the type of person who's a little bit more, I want to say careful, but that's not the right word, you'll probably have a little bit more success with your phone not being in a case, and you'll get to enjoy the actual phone. If I were to go back to the first day I bought this phone, would I get a case? Probably not. I mean, this phone definitely does have some scratches on it, but what it comes down to, they're not that bad. And honestly, I can deal with it. I have a couple scratches on the screen from, the phone going into the same pocket as my keys or something like that. But honestly, all in all, 3 years, no case, just raw dog in the world. This phone is in decent shape. I want to show you some clips, some close-ups of what the phone looks like now, and you make your own decision. No case, screen protector, no screen protector. It's up to you. Let's dive in. So that's it. You guys tell me, do I need to put a case on my phone, a screen protector, or were the blemishes you saw on that worth it. I don't know. It's been 3 years. I didn't realize they were as bad as they were, honestly. But it doesn't really bother me. So, drop a comment below. Let me know. Do I need a case? Do I need a screen protector? Are you going to get a screen protector? And if you could, like and subscribe. Hey, we'll see you next time. See ya.